Hello, friends. This presentation is about what's the difference? Adjectives and adverbs. I find that in the past, students have been very confused by these two terms in the English language. Hopefully, this will help clear up any darkness or misunderstandings. Okay, an adjective describes a noun. A noun is a people, places, and things. So I usually say PPT would be a good acronym to help us remember noun. PPT, people, places, and things. Another way to help you understand a noun is that it helps. Adjectives help nouns. And I have this as an example here. Adjectives are usually color words. Your orange, your yellow, your green, your blue, your red, all color words, okay? Another color word would be like the word beautiful. Beautiful is describing a color, or maybe the color is light or dark, all adjectives. Another adjective would be number words. That would be like the numbers you see in this picture here, 5, 2, 6, 7. Any number word from 0 to the millions, trillions, billions would be adjectives. Here's a picture of a plate of cookies. Okay, now I have that here to help you understand that nouns like cookies, adjectives can help describe how something tastes, smells, looks, sounds, and feels. This plate of cookies, it can taste delicious. Delicious would be describing the cookies. Taste terrible. Maybe people don't like the taste of cookies. Maybe it tastes sour depending on the ingredients. Maybe it tastes bitter, especially if you used unsweetened chocolate. Maybe this cookie smells sweet. Maybe it smells hot. Yes, you can smell some heats. Maybe it looks now delicious. Oh, that looks delicious. Maybe that looks incredible, can be a descriptive word. It looks pink, red, shape. It's a heart. Maybe we could add a circle cookie here. But the point is we're using our sight to describe how it looks. Sound. Maybe the cookie sounds crunchy or it's crunchy. Feels. Maybe this cookie feels soft. Maybe it feels hard. Again, all descriptive or helping words for the noun. All of these are adjectives. Our next slide, adjectives continued. Did you know these words describe too? Okay, in this picture, I have confetti. Now, some words to help describe this confetti. There are many pieces of confetti. There are several pieces of confetti. This confetti is colorful. It's tiny. It is round. Maybe it's boring to you. Who cares about the confetti, right? Again, the word here or the thing in the PPT model is the confetti, and these words are helping describe the confetti. In this picture, we have a lady, okay? I can say lady looks happy, okay? Maybe sad isn't applicable, but sad is a descriptive word. She's busy. Boring, maybe this picture's boring, okay? She could be tall, she could be short. She obviously is doing something, she's working. You could also say lazy, but all of these words could be describing this picture. Again, the picture could be the noun. These words are describing the picture. So all of these words can be used to describe our person, place, or thing, or our noun. Adjectives describe or help a noun. Okay, our next one is adverb. An adverb in a sentence is sometimes it describes the verb in the sentence, and it sometimes ends in ly. Not always. And I will give you examples later to show you how it's sometimes not an ly word. But adverbs are our helping words that describe our verb. In this picture, this woman looks like she's thinking. Okay. Now, thinking is our verb. It's something you do. It's something our body can do or a person can do. Okay. Maybe she's softly thinking. Maybe she's quickly thinking. Maybe she's thoughtfully thinking, really putting deep thought into it. Swiftly thinking or hard thinking. Some people can think so hard they get a headache. Okay. This picture is of a gal walking. Maybe she's following a sunset. Maybe she's walking beside the sunset. But she's walking maybe slowly, or she's gazing and walking. So I'll use both of those for this example. Gazing and walking are our verb. Okay, she's walking and gazing slowly, maybe loudly. Maybe when someone walks so loud you can hear their footsteps, that would be loudly walking. Maybe carefully, maybe she's stopping and she's carefully walking so she can gaze and really think about that sunset. Okay, adverbs are usually the how for the verb in the sentence. For example, this person is playing the piano. How are they playing the piano? They're playing the piano carefully, maybe cautiously, maybe quickly, maybe just thoughtfully. Okay, but it explains the how for the verb in the sentence. Okay. Our next slide are examples of adverbs used in sentences. Again, remember our adverbs are the helping the verbs, okay? They help the verbs in the sentence. So for example, the first sentence, the bird was chirping loudly in the tree. So let's find our verb first in the sentence. The bird, what was he doing? He was chirping. Okay, birds chirp. That's our verb, okay? How? How is he chirping? Loudly. All right, that helps with that sentence. Let's try the next sentence. The boy hit the ground hard when he fell. Okay, the boy did what? He hit. Okay, now here's our question. How did he hit? He hit hard. If you notice, no ly at the end of it. It's just describing, again, how he hit. And sometimes our adverbs are not right beside our verb. We have to look for them and really think through those sentences. Now our next sentence is my friend quickly sipped her coffee. Okay, my friend did what? She sipped. Okay, sipped how? How did she sip? Quickly. So these sentences give you some idea with how we can use an adverb to add some flavor or zest to our sentences, friends. Okay, here's some examples of an adjective. Again, our adjectives describe our person, place, or thing in a sentence. So our first sentence, the pretty girl jumped in the large cold pond. What word is describing our girl? Pretty. All right? Our next subject in the sentence is pond. What word or words are describing the pond? It's large and it's cold. If you notice, there's two descriptors here, not just one. They both can help our thing in the PPT model because it's our pond. Okay, the next sentence, the tall boy spoke softly to the new girl in school. Okay, our boy is our subject. What word is describing our boy? He's tall. Okay, our next one is the girl. Okay, this one's a little different because it's not a tall girl or a short girl. New is our helping word for girl. It's not an old girl, a new girl. It is describing the girl is brand new in school, which changes the context or the way this sentence is read. Okay, new is describing the girl in this case. The bluebird sang in the tall hickory tree. What word is describing the bird? It's blue. There's our color word. Okay, our next word is tree. Now there's two again for this one. The tree is tall and it's hickory, both helpers to describe our tree. Okay, our next one is the Rocky Mountain Trail was slippery after the rain. What words are used to describe the trail? It is rocky, it is a mountain, and it is a trail. These two words are helping words to describe our noun. Okay, hopefully these will help clear up any confusion about how to use adjectives. Now we're going to spice things up a little bit, and we're going to talk about how they're used in the same sentence together. And this makes it kind of fun because it changes our writing and it can help us be more creative and colorful in our writing. So here's an example. The tall girl spoke gently to her aging grandmother. Okay, our girl is our subject. She is tall. It's helping our subject, tall girl. What did she do? She spoke. Well, how did she speak? Remember, our adverbs answer the how. She spoke gently. Okay, find our other subject, our grandmother. Okay, grandmother, what's describing grandmother? Aging, which just means she's getting older. Okay, that one was fun. Let's go on to the next one. The old man walked carefully as he crossed the street. Man, what we're describing man? Old. Okay. What did he do? He walked. Again, our question, how? How did he walk? Carefully is our adverb describing our noun. Okay. There's another case again. Our last one, the beautiful house stood gracefully in the dark night. Okay, house. What word is describing the house? Beautiful. Okay, the house did what? It stood. Houses can lean, houses can stand, houses can tilt. This one says stood. Stood how? Gracefully. Gracefully is describing stood, which is our adverb describing our verb. Dark night. Dark is describing our night. Hopefully, this helps to clear up any misunderstandings, confusion you have about adjectives and adverbs. Now, please submit your assignment so that I can see how we're doing. Thank you very much.